my name's Susie and I'm the manager here at Dandelion Theatre Arts, based here at the Leatherhead Theatre. I've been the manager of Dandelion Theatre Arts for the last year and I've been a teacher for them for the last 5 years. COVID has massively affected what the theatre has looked like for the last couple of years. We spent the first lockdown completely shut, completely closed. When things were a little more open the second time around, we were able to open for specific things. So we were able to open for children's classes and nothing else. That became a real issue because we had to try and keep this amazing, vast building alive, breathing, with no income and no people coming in. Which was a huge undertaking. We were able to stay afloat thanks to the National Recovery Fund, which came from the arts, the Cultural Recovery Fund, which was a massive help. And I think that really kind of kept us all going because we felt very deflated. Since we've been reopened, we've actually gone from strength to strength, and Dandelion Theatre Arts is an amazing place. We're buzzing tonight. We've got all of our classes, all our Tuesday night classes going on tonight. And the noise behind me, you can hear we've got a theatre school in, hiring the stage to perform their show tonight. So it feels so much more alive, and it's such a nicer kind of feeling to know that we're back and we're back to business, which is great. My personal history goes back a fair way. I was 5 when I first came here to this theatre. My mum brought me here for some drama lessons with the youth theatre then, which was called the Young People's Theatre, the YPT. And I just fell in love with everything to do with the theatre and everything to do with theatre school. And I stayed at all of the classes, did lots of shows on the main stage until I went to university, and I came back, and that was when I started working here as a teacher. So I've been around this theatre for 35 years, which is a long time, but it's been here for a lot longer than that. The first theatre in Leatherhead was actually down the high street, and it was a cinema and then converted into a theatre. It then moved to its current home here, and the building itself, the architecture, so it's quite a concrete, it looks like quite an urban jungle here at the theatre, which I really like. I think it looks very rustic and very authentic. And it's been a professional theatre ever since. They used to have shows that were at the West End, trying out their performances here before going to the West End. So the audiences of Leatherhead would have a real taste of this amazing kind of London experience before the shows then went to London. Now it's a little bit more of a community theatre, so we have a lot of children's theatre schools performing on the main stage. We do also have professional tours and theatre for children. We have a lot of tribute acts, so a lot of music nights and bands. We have comedy nights and close-up magic that happens here monthly as well. And this space that I'm actually in at the moment is called our Mez Bar, and we have jazz evenings that take place here. So it's a real kind of like multi-use space now, and it's very much for the community of Leatherhead. And I think the people of Leatherhead are very proud to have it here.